today is Joshua, back finally, and today we're going to be unboxing the Canon EOS R50, and it comes with the tripod, it comes with the RF45mm lens, and then the microphone as well. So it finally came in, and I better unbox this thing, man. It's about time, so let's get into it. Go. Finally came in, and it was about $8.50 on Amazon on sale, so it's actually a really good price. Here it is, the EOS R50 by Canon. About to get the thumbnail going real quick. This thing is beautiful. Not even sure how to open it and stuff, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna try to figure it out. I know I need to buy the memory card, because I was looking it up and everyone's saying on the reviews that the camera doesn't come with an actual SD memory card. So I'm gonna have to go out later today and buy one for myself. It does come with the battery though. It does come with the battery. But yeah, I mainly picked up Canon EOS R50 because I did my research. It's currently the best camera out there, budget-wise. So it was by the camera by itself is $700, with the lens kit $800, and then I just got the whole kit for $850. So it's a really good price, and shoots 4K 1080. And here is the RF45mm lens. So yeah, it'd probably be smart to start charging the actual battery. It does come with a charger for the battery. And I'm gonna basically start getting it charged. So while that battery is getting charged up, I'm gonna start applying the lens to the actual camera. So just take the body cap off. Look at that, it's the inside of it. And I heard it's always good to keep this on because you don't want to keep this area exposed, or either have the actual lens on. So yeah, that's important. So lens. And it's kind of cool how they have the system. So you have to align this red with this red, and you snap it on like that, and then you twist it, I believe. Yeah, and then you hear that click. So once you hear that click, and then you can release it right here with this button. And then once you hear that click, that's how you know it's locked into place. So just like that. And then you can open it, and just look how sharp that camera looks. Just take a moment to admire that. So yeah, And you can start zooming in and out right here. Yeah. This is the 18 to 45 millimeter kit. There's longer lens that I do want to get, but this is my first camera, so I'm kind of just playing around and exploring what this lens possesses. And I also need to work on my photography and videography skills. So this is more of just an exposure. Sorry, y'all. I'm just taking a moment to admire this camera. Like it's just so sharp. Very, very sharp. And it's light too. All right, y'all. So as you can see, the battery for the Canon just finished. It's green. It was yellow before, so I can take it out. And yeah. So now I can take out the battery for the Canon. So it's gonna go in this direction. And then you get the click sound. So satisfying. Love that. I'm gonna take the cover off. Extend it. I haven't even turned it on yet. As you can see, on. Look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna set everything up and get right back to y'all. You see how it says no card in camera? I still gotta get an SD card. Totally forgot these came with a microphone and the tripod, so let's unbox that. So this actually comes with a lot of pieces. So we got all of this stuff. All of this is the tripod. This is the headphone jack. And then we also have the muffler, like the noise canceller for the headphone, for the microphone, sorry. So yeah, that's actually really cool. So to attach the tripod, you would just insert it on the bottom right here. So nothing too complicated, but you see it doesn't look like too much space for the screw to fit in, but I feel, let me see. Yeah, screwing that in completely, hear the click, it does feel secure. So that's good, I like that. And for the microphone, you would just insert the cord right here. Alright, y'all, so I finally switched over to the Canon R50. I got the tripod, the microphone in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on. And I also got the SD card. Went out earlier. Got the SD card, I put it in there. So yeah. See how that bad boy looks. Lock it in place. And see, I already have it on video mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the Canon R50. I just added the microphone to it, so I'm gonna see y'all. I should see y'all on this screen now. See how it looks. That's the old setup. And I'm probably this quality, y'all. Working with it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to play around with this camera more, take more pictures, get decent, or like I'm gonna try to get better with the videography skills, photography. And yeah, I'm really liking this camera, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm extremely happy with the purchase I made with the Canon EOS R50. I got the content creator kit, and it's just a reasonable buy. It's something I've looked forward to for a while. It's a budget camera, only for $800, which is a reasonable price, and you can't go wrong with it, I promise you. I'm definitely gonna start taking more pictures, like I said. Get more affiliated with photography, and videography as well. And this is just, I'm excited to see what this camera possesses. So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this video, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Peace.